Yes, where is that?
We are having lunch. Today is a good day in our office.
You didn't buy,
Yes. We didn't buy lunch. We are eating free lunch.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind.
Hi lovers, I hope you are all doing fine. My name is Juliet. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. This is a beautiful family. Yeah, you are in the right place. So today is Saturday. I want to go and get my hair done, so I'll take you along as I go to Bamburi. Bamburi it is. See you.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated.
Nice.
How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Hi lovers, so today is Saturday. I'm preparing to go and make my nails. I also want to do a little grocery shopping, so I'll take you along. What I'm using right now is Nivea lip balm, and this is the oil that I use to apply to my hair. I use jade growth oil. It's so soothing and I love it. It's so calming on the scalp. I really love to use it. So let's tie this hair in a little bun at the back and head to the supermarket and the salon. I've not booked an appointment, so I'll just do a walk-in maybe and see if I'll get a chance to be done my nails.